Hey, what's up, Facebook family? Jason Kilgore here. We are behind Alabaster City Hall. We've got a turkey fryer demonstration for you. This is a way, of course, to stay safe as we cook a little bit more over the holiday season. I've got Chief Love from the Alabaster Fire Department right here. Chief, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
We've got just a couple of quick questions. So, Chief, what are some common mistakes or common accidents that you guys see over the next couple months?
Well, one of the biggest ones we see generally is people having an improper placement of their fryer. We remind people a couple of things. Read the instructions, follow the manufacturer recommended instructions. Make sure you choose a place that's not near a structure, in a structure. So under your carport is not safe, in your basement is not safe. You want to be a good distance away from your house, from your cars, anything that's flammable. In the case there's an accident, we don't want the fire spreading to that. Preferably on a good solid surface, cement or paved surface would be good, so they're not have the possibility of spreading into the grass or anything like that. Just ask them to take time, follow the instructions, and pick a good solid place before they begin cooking their turkey. If they see a problem, call 911. Go ahead and get emergency responders en route to that location so that they can attend to it if need be. Hopefully they prepared themselves, having a fire extinguisher available, using a fire extinguisher to help extinguish the fire if it spreads. Staying calm, don't try to get in a hurry and move the bird in or out. We see a lot of problems with tipping it over, spreading the oil, spreading the fire. You got to remember that oil is already very, very hot. It's got an open flame burner underneath it, and as soon as it touches it, we have a pretty quick fire spread. Typically, if they'll leave it alone, and once the oil that is overspilled has burned up somewhat, it will start to die down. And don't get in a hurry and make the situation worse. Call for help. Use that extinguisher if they got it available, help push the fire off, and stay clear of it. Make sure everybody's clear of it.
Yes, sir. So it sounds like, guys, don't be a hero. Allow that responsibility to the guys here in red, especially here at the Alabaster Fire Department or your local municipality. Chief Love, again, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks SERVPRO for getting that message out for us.
Oh, yes, sir, for sure, for sure. And if there are any issues that you come across in this holiday season, SERVPRO Birmingham is available 24/7, 365 at 205-664-6770. So if you have any issues at all, you can give us a call anytime. But hey, go out and have the best Thanksgiving of your lives. We'll catch you guys soon.